Hello and welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing a front door fashion unboxing and try on for you. I am super excited about this because I haven't done one of these in forever. We have had a very busy year. We moved, our son graduated college, we moved him out, moved him into a new place, and our daughter's moved 3 times. She's also a college student, so it has been a year of moving. But finally, I've got a front door fashion, and I tell you what prompted me to get this box was I really needed some new jeans. I have plenty of skinnies, and I am ready to expand my jean collection. And it's really overwhelming when I go to the store and there's so many jeans to choose from. You have mid-rise, high-rise, boot cut, flare, straight, distressed, all these different styles, and it really overwhelms me. So what I love about front door fashion, it's very personalized. You talk to your stylist, and it is a fashion styling box, and it's very similar to Stitch Fix, but it's just on demand. So whenever you're ready for a box, you just reach out to them, let them know what you're looking for, and they will curate a box with multiple outfits and send them right to your front door. You can try them on in the privacy of your own home, which I love. And it is a $100 deposit, which is applied to anything you should purchase, but you just keep what you like, return what you don't like. If you don't keep anything, it's 100% refunded. And you fill out a profile. And so this is what I did, is reached out to my stylist, Bethany, and told her I was looking for jeans. I wanted something more trendy and on fashion, anything but skinnies, and in a dark wash and a light wash. So she has curated several jean outfits for me, and I'm wearing the first outfit. And what I'm gonna do is just dive right into the try on, and I'll tell you all about each piece as I try them on. And so we're gonna dive right in because there's a lot of pieces. So the first outfit is this beautiful pink blazer that she has paired with this striped top and these dark wash boot cut jeans. And I really, really like these jeans. I don't have any boot cut, if you can believe that. And they're a nice dark blue, which I love because I feel you can dress them up a little bit more. But how cute are these? I love this pink jacket. It really spices up a pair of jeans. I feel like it almost looks like Lily Pulitzer because it's a bright pink, but it's not. And I love the buttons, these kind of white tortoise shell style buttons. It is just a full sleeve with some buttons down the cuff. I like the way it's tailored. It does have pockets. I wouldn't use these pockets more than likely, but it's nice to know that they're usable. And it is just, I love the way that it's tailored. I think it's really pretty. And I'm gonna take the jacket off and I'll show you the blouse. I love this blouse as well. I love it's casual. I would totally wear this with my white jeans when the season changes more into spring. I don't have them buttoned, but I'm just gonna pull it up a little bit. And she suggested I just kind of loosely tuck it in. You can see it's longer in the back, and another really cute outfit. Isn't that cute? Let me share with you the details on these outfits, these pieces. The jeans are by Morrison. They're the Starlet mid-rise 32-inch boot cut. The color is called LA Woman for $148. The top is by Gentle Fawn. It's called the wider button down in indigo stripe for $114. And the outerwear is the pink blazer. It's by Jade. It's called the Winnie Blazer in pink for $186. So very cute. These earrings are from a previous Front Door Fashion. The necklace is from a dear friend. She gave it to me for Christmas. But anyway, I like the top. I would wear this with white. I think it's a nice casual top and super, super cute. What are your thoughts? What do you think of the jeans? I have them on with my black booties, but I could, sometimes boot cuts you can only wear with heels. I like the fact that these I could wear flats. They're not too long. So this is my first outfit. I also wanted to mention, if you're interested in trying Front Door Fashion, I am going to attach my link in the description box. That'll give you $50 off your first box, which is a nice amount. So make sure to use that if you're thinking about trying it. All right, let's go on to the next piece. All right, the next outfit is the same top paired with a pair of jeans. And these are a straight jean. She said to put them on with a pair of chocolate brown boots, but I don't have a chocolate brown pair of boots, but I thought I would put it on with the lighter boots because I thought it would look nice. These jeans are by Hudson. They're called the Remy High Rise 30-inch straight in the color Canal for $195. So they're a straight leg. What do you think? Please make sure to put your comments below on what your favorite pieces are. I'd love to hear what items you like the best. There's another top that she has paired with these jeans, and I will be right back. Next outfit is this really pretty green textured top. It's like a 3/4 sleeve, and I've got it tucked in to a new pair of bootcut medium wash jeans that are a mid-rise, and this fun animal print belt, which has a little bit of bling on the buckle, which I'm all about a little bit of bling. I don't know if I like this belt with these pants. My waist is here, and so I would be inclined to wear, with this mid-rise, I think the belt makes me look wider. I would be more inclined to wear it with a high rise or, a low rise. But anyway, this was how her notes were. I try to tuck all the tags in as best I can so that they're not super distracting. But I love this emerald color top. I think emerald is such a pretty color, especially for the winter and for the holidays, but the holidays are now behind us, but it's still winter. And these jeans are really cute. There's a little bit lighter wash on the thighs. I've got my black booties back on. Super cute, very comfy. There really isn't any stretch to this pair of jeans, which I do like a little stretch. I think it's just more comfortable. Let me get you the pricing on these. This is the second collection, the denim. Pants are by DL 1961. They're the Joni mid-rise 31-inch slim boot in East Lake color for $209. And then the top is by Vince Camuto. It's called the puff sleeve knit top in Arresting Emerald for $89. And then the belt is by George Roth, the Vermont belt in bisque for $135. I think I need to try the belt on with a pair of pants that I would actually wear them with. but super cute. The next top on. This is an off-the-shoulder top. I probably didn't put it quite enough off my shoulder because it just slid right up. But this, I love anything that's super fuzzy. You can see, I don't know if you can see that, fuzzy. I love a warm fuzzy sweater. This is just to the mid-rise level. I like this belt with this top much better. Super cute. I don't own a off-the-shoulder sweater like this. And so what my question would be, is it going to continuously, like, am I going to be adjusting it because it wants to slide up? And I wish it was just a little bit, rather than such a muted pink, I wished it was a little pinker. I have a sweater already, a cable knit sweater in this color, but I really like this. What do you think? It's so soft. I do like the sweater a lot, but I'm not I have to wear it around the house a little bit in case it decides to inch up on me. But this sweater is by Bailey 44. It's called the Taurus sweater in blush for $178. This is such a fun top. It's a black kind of shimmery print. It's almost like an animal print. I think it is like leopard, and it's just really shimmery. It's a V-neck. There are no buttons. And then it's got this smocking at the wrist, which I really like, because then if you just want to roll it up a little bit, it's super easy. And she's paired it with these fabulous red pants that actually have a lot of stretch to them, so they're really comfortable. Very cute. I don't really have a need for red pants, but I think they're super cute. They've got little side pockets here. I'm gonna get you the information. She's also paired this with the final piece, which is a faux leather pencil skirt. So I'll try that on next. So this is by Veronica M. It's called the Holiday Spirit Neck Blouse in Yuma color for $92. And the pants are by Liverpool. They're the Kelsey mid-rise 31-inch flare trouser in Love Flow for $109. So let's go ahead, and the print on this is so small. I'm gonna request they do a little bit bigger font. I don't normally have vision with problems with reading, but this is really, it's faint font. It's not bold, and it's on the smaller side, so it's almost like reading a bottle of Tylenol. Anyway, I'm gonna try on the next skirt, and I will be right on. It's this pencil skirt with the same top, and it's a faux leather. I just have it on with my booties. I think it's really cute, super soft. It has a side zip and elastic waist, and I actually put it on without unzipping it, thinking it was just a pull on. I didn't see the zipper, and so it actually has a zipper. I think it's really pretty. I just don't have a need for the skirt, nor a place to wear it. You know, if we go out to dinner or any kind of events, I just don't really go for skirts or dresses, to be honest. But anyway, this is a really pretty skirt. It's super soft, and it's a really nice quality. I do like a pencil skirt. I think it's very flattering. And this is by 1520. It's called the Front Slit Midi Skirt in black for $150. And that is it for my front door fashion. How fun. It's been a long time, and I've been really looking forward to getting this box. We were in Maui just before Christmas. We got back Christmas Eve. So I didn't have time to get this before we left. I just had too much going on and preparing for the holidays, trying to get all prepared before we left. So it was something to look forward to after the holidays. So I am super thrilled with this box. I'm gonna gather my favorite items and share them with you. And please make sure to put in the comment below what your favorite pieces are. And let me do my quick summary. Okay, in summary, my favorite pieces were the pieces I tried on in the very beginning, and I'm gonna need to watch the footage back to see which pair of jeans I like best. But I think the first two pair of jeans with this striped top and the pink blazer were my favorites out of the box. And then I really liked the fuzzy sweater. I just need to try it on again and make sure that it's not going to be something I will be fiddling with all night long with it sliding off my shoulders. And I have a cable knit sweater that's this color. So it may just be too close to what I already have, but it is different in many ways because it's nice and soft and fuzzy, and it is off the shoulder. So I'm going to try it on again with some of the jeans that I would wear it with and try to make a decision. But please, please leave your comments below. That really helps me. All right, well, Happy New Year. I hope you had a great holiday, and I've got some pieces coming in from Anthropologie I will share with you. Super excited. They were on sale, and I think I got some Lily Pulitzer things too, so I'll do another video here within the next few days, so stay tuned.